we look after the whenua, whenua will look after us.
Our marakai, everything that Papatūānuku produces.
Our whenua's going to feed us at the end of the day.
Nurturing, so that's what it means to me, whenua.
Marakai, there's something we all need to learn. I never learnt this when I was a child.
We've had 3 lost generations of gardeners. Prior to that, our whānau throughout the country were great marakai exponents. And I think this is part of the clawback.
Because it's of the land, it nurtures people as well.
The focus has shifted to the backyard. The real benefit behind that is that people open their back door and there it is before them.
4 years ago we had a journey and I went on all these marakai garden tours, started creating a plan around our kaumatua, teaching us. And so Te Rangi Kaheke guided us literally through every step.
We went online and we asked whānau and families to register. We had 58 families and we had 8 kindergartens.
We joined up on Facebook, willingly volunteered as well as wanting to get a garden for myself.
It was 9 days flat, from 7:30 to almost 9 at night.
They delivered the pallets, they set up the bed, and then they bought the topsoil and the plants, and I planted the vegetables myself. The Rotorua Youth Centre is the home base for my backyard garden project.
It's a place where people can gather really quickly.
The donations, the contributions, the volunteer hours was just huge.
The funding that came available to us, it allowed us to go out and purchase wheelbarrows and rakes and shovels because they were the main tools that we needed to help us physically move topsoil from volunteer trailers into the gardens themselves along with compost.
It's helped to get the rangatahi excited about the vegetables, the kaumātua to teach and share their knowledge.
Helping me teach my son as well, because I didn't grow up with it. I want him to grow up with that skill to grow kai of his own.
It's great for teenagers because it teaches them to be nurturing. We have so many teenagers with problems at the moment.
Connected all the whānaus.
They all want to know, how's your garden growing? They're all growing their own gardens pretty much, now my family, outside of the initiative.
It's enabling our families to teach and have interaction with different generations. It's more beneficial for pocket and also the health of the whānau.
I don't buy any vegetables, and I've only had my garden for 2 months.
We encourage those whānau also to grow organic produce. That's the way our old people did it.
My children had allergies and now those are actually diminishing.
People are actually going out and starting to grow their own gardens.
More gardens we get out into communities, the more holistic it can be for everyone and nurturing.
And have for the future for our children.
And I think it's done a tremendous amount of reconnecting people back to Papatūānuku.